Well, I mean, there's different aspects to manufacturing, but one of the things that we see strongly coming is reshoring of a lot of manufacturing that's gone offshore. Now, the first things that are going to happen are going to be what they consider critical infrastructure or important pieces. So we'll give as an example, pharmaceuticals. 90% of the pharmaceuticals are made in India or China. That is going to change, and already there are committees, bipartisan committees in Congress who are mandating that we look at and change the supply chain so that at least 50% of pharmaceutical products in the United States will be made in the United States by 2025. That demands a whole lot more pharmaceutical plants. So we see, a lot of opportunities are going to come down in the pharmaceutical side. But I think there's other things. There's an emotional impact on a lot of people who want to see more made in America. So the Made in America momentum, we'll say from patriotic reasons, but also other reasons, people will pay more to get stuff that's made here. And I think you're going to see more manufacturing coming back, being reshored.